No, the cocktail's name is not for the song. Welcome back. Today we're making a Hanky Panky, and before I get into the whole history of it, let's just go ahead and make it first. I've never had it. I've heard it's like a Jim Martinez. Haven't had that either. So let's go ahead and get into it. This is a stirred cocktail, so I need my mixing glass. I'm going to fill it up with ice. How much? As much as you want, just so I can really get it cold. Treat it like a martini. Now I need Fernet Branca. It is a very herbal liqueur. Similar to like Benedictine, and I'm going to use a Barspoon of Fernet Branca. And this is like a Jim Martinez, but it's also a 50-50 variety. So now I need Sweet Vermouth. I'm going to use Carpano Antica Formula. You can use any Sweet Vermouth you want. Punta Mez, Martini and Rossi, this, either or, pick your poison. 1.5 ounces of Sweet Vermouth. And now I need 1.5 ounces of gin. I'm using Tanqueray. Barspoon down, give it a stir. Get it cold. Grab yourself a Nick and Nora, small coupe, what have you. And I'm going to use the julep strainer because this is a stirred cocktail. And strain. Now for garnish, orange twist. Press the oils into this, give a twist, and drop. The Hanky Panky. Cheers. The gin, the vermouth, it plays well. The sweeter variety, the addition of the orange really helps. Maybe add some orange bitters maybe next time to do a little bit of just a minor ramp up. But no, this is it's fine. Slightly sweet, actually, with the Fernet Branca. Cool. Now for some history about this drink. This drink is actually from the Savoy Hotel in London and was created by Ada Coleman, also known as Colley. This drink is actually also shown in the Savoy Cocktail book from 1930, which is done by Harry Craddock. Harry Craddock was a bartender who left America when Prohibition began. The hotel was famous for not just its mixology, but also for the dignitaries that attended it, or those that stayed in it, such as Mark Twain, Diamond John Brady, and also the Prince of Wales at the time. All of them came by, and the story behind this is that Sir Charles Hawtrey came into the Savoy Hotel and said, I want a drink that has a little bit of a kick. And she created this. Upon tasting this, he said, by Jove, this is the real Hanky Panky. It's not named for the song. It's named because of someone claiming that they enjoyed the cocktail. Interesting. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share the video, please. If you want to use any of the barware that I use on my show, check the links down below. They are Amazon affiliate links, which means that if you click a link, make a purchase of that item, I receive a bit of the kickback. Thank you in advance. Until next time, thank you for watching. I will be back real soon with another cocktail, and this has been The Beginner's Bar.